Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I gives review about skincare and haircare products, but today I will discuss more about a skincare product called Dr. Davey Kojic Acid Body Lotion. But before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. The goal of every beauty product user is to achieve radiant, healthy-looking skin, and to achieve this, you need products that don't just brighten your complexion but also nurture it. This is where I will introduce you to Dr. Davey Kojic Acid Body Lotion. This lotion is a game changer in the beauty world. The lotion is specially formulated to help rejuvenate your skin, fade blemishes, and lighten hyperpigmentation around the skin, while deeply hydrating and protecting the skin barrier. And guess what? Its powerhouse ingredients, like kojic acid and niacinamide, offer a holistic solution for anyone aiming for smooth, glowing, and even toned skin. Wow! So, in this blog post review, we will take a look at its unique benefits of the Dr. Davey Kojic Acid Body Lotion, the science behind its key ingredients, and why it could be your next skincare must-have. Dr. Davey Key Ingredients. 1. Kojic Acid. One of the main ingredients of this lotion is kojic acid. This is a star ingredient in many brightening skincare products. It has replaced the use of hydroquinone, which has negative effect on the skin. 2. Niacinamide. Another powerful ingredient is niacinamide, also known as vitamin B3. It is one of the most versatile ingredients in skincare, used to boost skin texture, boost skin barrier, and hydrate the skin. Benefits of Dr. Davey Kojic Acid Body Lotion. Now let's take a look at some of the benefits you get to enjoy using this body lotion. And I will want you to bear this in mind, that Dr. Davey Kojic Acid Body Lotion is more than just a skin brightening skin care product, and it is a multi-purpose lotion that works to improve your skin's overall health and appearance. So let's see what are the benefits. 1. Lightens and evens out skin tone. With this lotion, rest assured it will visibly reduce the appearance of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and uneven patches caused by sun damage, aging, or acne on your skin. With regular use of it, it reveals a brighter, more luminous skin complexion. 2. Fades blemishes and scars. If you're dealing with acne scars or other skin imperfections, I will advocate you use this lotion. The lotion helps fade them over time, leaving your skin smoother and more refined. 3. Anti-aging benefits. This lotion has proven to be more effective in reducing anti-aging appearance due to its kojic acid and niacinamide formula. This lotion supports collagen production, reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin. 4. Hydrates and moisturizes. If you are finding it hard to get a good hydrated and moisturizing skin, this lotion is here for you. The lotion doesn't just brighten, it deeply hydrates your skin, leaving it soft, silky, and well-nourished. This hydration also helps to prevent dryness and flakiness of the skin, especially in the dry weather season. 5. Improves skin barrier function. One thing I love about this lotion is that you don't need additional protector skincare products to attach to it, as it has its own formula that strengthens the skin's natural barrier. This lotion helps protect against environmental damage, pollution, and harmful UV rays. 6. Detoxifies and protects. It is very rare to see body lotion that detoxifies the skin, but with this lotion, the formula helps detoxify the skin, reducing oxidative stress caused by free radicals, which can lead to premature aging. Dr. Davey Kojic Acid Body Lotion side effects. The side effect of this lotion is very thin, as there are no harsh ingredients used in making this product. If you are someone with allergic skin, you may notice some redness or irritation, and in case you notice this, it is better you visit the dermatologist to know what suits your skin type. Does Dr. Davey Kojic Acid Body Lotion bleach the skin? This lotion is formulated to brighten the skin, and there is no form of ingredient like hydroquinone found in making this lotion. So, it is very safe for all skin colors. It only brightens your skin, not bleaching. Conclusion. So, guys, as you may have gotten some idea of this lotion, Dr. Davey Kojic Acid Body Lotion stands out as a comprehensive skincare solution for anyone looking to achieve brighter, smoother, and more hydrated skin. With the combination of kojic acid and niacinamide formula, the lotion provides an array of skin benefits, from fading dark spots and reducing blemishes to strengthening the skin's barrier and enhancing hydration. So if you are looking for a good skincare lotion, I will advise you to go for Dr. Davey Kojic Acid Body Lotion. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon.